In this video, I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk on a computer, step by step, so you can get it installed quickly and safely without confusion. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux, the process is simple once you know exactly where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use on your computer. Once the browser is open, click in the address bar at the top of the page. This is where you can type in websites or search terms. Now type AnyDesk and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results appear on the screen. At this point, look for the official AnyDesk website. It's very important to choose the official site so you download the correct and safe version of the software. When you find the official AnyDesk website in the search results, click it to open the homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Downloads option. On the AnyDesk homepage, this is usually easy to find in the menu or navigation area. Click Downloads to go to the download page. After the Downloads page opens, take a moment to check that you're on the right page for your device. AnyDesk gives you different versions depending on your operating system, so this step matters. Select the version that matches your computer. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows version. If you are on a Mac, select macOS. And if you use a Linux computer, choose the Linux option. Once you've selected the correct operating system, look for the Download Now button. Click it to start downloading AnyDesk to your computer. Depending on your browser and internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a little longer for the installer file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, you'll usually see the installer file in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. From there, you can open the file and continue with the installation process if needed. That's all there is to it. You've now downloaded AnyDesk on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.